Right, just a quick video. One thing I would say is I'm doing this on my phone. I'm going to try doing some videos on my phone just to see if it makes it easier for me to edit and put them on. Saves me getting all the computer and the camcorder out. Anyway, so a metal figure 4 trap. Similar to the ones you've probably seen before. But what I've done with this one, instead of making it out of flat stock aluminium, which is not hard to get, but I mean you've got to buy it off places. This is made out of flattened tubular pipe, which I can get it easy, and you can find pipes around. So all I've basically done is got a round pipe, put it in a vise and squashed it flat. So you can see kind of how much I've squashed it. On this piece, weirdly it had a threaded nut in the end, so I thought I'd just leave that. There's maybe a bit of a better stand at the bottom. So yeah, so flat, round tubular pipe, flattened in a vise and fashioned into this figure 4 trap trigger. So you've got your upright one, and all I've done is drilled 2 holes, put a bolt through. On the sloping one, 2 holes again, one at the bottom, one halfway up. The bolt goes through, nut on the end, bolt goes through, nut on the end. And what I did, I've peened these over by putting them on a metal surface and hammering the heads down, so these can't actually be undone. And you can, and what the good thing is, if they're done like that, you can leave them loose, but they won't just come off, if that makes sense. Because these have got to be loose to be able to move. But if they're too loose, these nuts can just come off themselves. And then the horizontal, like the actual trap, the trigger part, sorry, cut it sloping with a little notch, and it's got a little filed notch here, that's just been done with a round chainsaw file. Now, you could just cut it out with a hacksaw, but a round chainsaw file. Then that attaches to that bolt. So the weight is on here. That locks in. When it's pressed down, the whole thing will spin around and the deadfall will come down, or your cage. And the reason I've cut the little notch here is either for tying bait, or you can have a piece of string coming down to a flat treadle plate, which I've showed you that on videos before as well. Be honest, to hold these up, you need a hell of a lot of weight just to make them set.